Which Big Bird from Sesame Street?
Don't tell me.
Okay.
No more video with TV, no more video with how you talking.
It's Celebrity Award Winners Week on Wheel of Fortune. Our special guest in alphabetical order, Dave Barry, Kimberly Brown, Janet Evans, Louis Gossett Jr., Deidre Hall, Richard Carr, LL Cool J, Gary Marshall, Justine Michelli, Al Michaels, Rita Moreno, Paul Rodriguez, Chelsea Smith, Jeffrey Tambor.
He's Tool Times Al on the award-winning hit series Home Improvement in Real Life. He's Richard Carr. Richard? And boy, what a group here to start our week off. Thank you all for being here. We'll get a chance to chat a little bit and find out about your charity. Well, actually, I'm going to start here with Richard, who are you playing for, Richard?
Holy maracas!
Oh, hi. I'm Big Bird.
Huh. No kidding.
I'm a friend of Kermit's.
Oh.
Yeah, we both come from the same neighborhood, Sesame Street.
Oh. Isn't that cute little children's show with puppets?
Uh-huh. Well, who are you?
Miss Piggy.
Who am I? I am Miss Piggy.
Oh. Well, do you work around here?
Listen, yellow thing. Do you see this star here?
Oh, yes. It's very pretty.
And do you know why it is there?
Well, perfect attendance?
I am the singing star of this show.
A singing pig? That's very funny.
Kiss your feathers goodbye, bird.
Oh, very nice flip of the circus.
She's very versatile.